Hey creators, want to level up your video editing game? I've got some game-changing CapCut tips that'll make your content pop. Let's dive in. First, here's a pro tip that most people miss. Use keyframes for smooth transitions. Just hit that keyframe button, set your start and end points, and watch the magic happen. It's like giving your videos that professional polish in seconds. Here's another secret weapon: the velocity curve. Instead of basic cuts, adjust your velocity curve to create those butter-smooth speed ramps everyone loves. Trust me, it's what separates amateur content from viral hits. Now let's talk storytelling, because that's what keeps viewers hooked. Start with a strong hook in the first 3 seconds. Something like, "This changed everything," or "Wait till you see this." Then build tension throughout your clip. And don't sleep on thumbnails. Here's a quick formula: bright colors, plus clear text, plus emotional expression, clicks. Use CapCut's built-in thumbnail editor to add that extra punch. Layer your elements, play with contrast, and make it pop. Remember, the best edits are invisible. They enhance your story without distracting from it. Keep practicing these tips and watch your content transform.